Yes, I got a few things to talk about on the Honda generators. The EU2200I, which this is their newest model. They got an EU2000I, and then there's a few other engines that use this plastic part in their carburetor, which is absolutely garbage. This is it right here. This is the needle and seat. This is the needle that Honda gives you in their machines, and it's problematic. It's basically worthless. This is a brand new needle that has not been used, and I don't think the camera's going to pick it up, but if you look at the sides of this, they're all gouged up from when the plastic came out of the mold. And that's what's making these needles stick. This needle's $18. $18 for this plastic needle valve from Honda. But I got something that's I have a needle that's 10 times better than this one. Right here. This one's made out of metal. This is a metal tipped one. It's machined absolutely perfect. It's a direct replacement for your Honda needle here. This camera messes me up when I try to do I know the video's a little dark, but this is a direct replacement for your the Honda needle. Direct fit. And I don't know about you, but I'd rather have a metal one in my machine than plastic. Anybody's interested in these metal needle upgrades, this is the type of the materials that they used back in the 1980s in carburetors. They didn't use plastic. But anybody want a needle and seat? Well, it's actually just the needle. It replaces Honda part number, what is it? 16011 ZE0-005. That's 16011-ZE0-005. And anybody interested in upgrading their generators to these more well-built parts, get in touch with me. Thanks.